Running an HVAC business is challenging, but protecting it shouldn't feel overwhelming. Let's simplify by explaining your insurance choices. As an HVAC contractor, safeguarding your business, employees and clients is a top priority. Understanding the key types of insurance coverage is essential. General liability insurance protects you from claims if someone is injured or property is damaged due to your actions. Tools and equipment are your lifeline in this business. Ensure your property insurance covers damages to your critical assets. Workers' compensation insurance is crucial for employee safety, providing medical benefits and wage replacement in case of work-related injuries. Commercial auto insurance covers your work trucks and vehicles from accidents and theft while on the job. An insurance advisor will help evaluate your specific insurance needs based on your business size, work nature, and local regulations to determine the right coverage. Partner with an independent agent who understands the unique risks HVAC contractors face every day. Understanding policy exclusions can save you significant headaches later. Always clarify potential limitations with your agent to ensure full protection.